The more contacts you have in ManyChat, the more they will charge you. So this is my trick to pay only $15 every single month. And you can apply it so you don't go over budget. Because I don't use ManyChat as an automation for following up, I only use it for DM automation. So I don't want to pay more for it. With our method, you can expect to have over 100 DMs every single day. Sometimes I got 500 DMs and the price will be pretty hefty. Here is what I'm gonna do. First, I click on this icon here. Now, you will click on select or deselect all like this. Click on bulk actions. Scroll down until you see delete contacts. And you can just need to copy and paste delete here and delete. That's it. This here helps me to save a lot of money with ManyChat. I hope you enjoy everything I've been sharing so far. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com and bye-bye.